Hi, I'm Douglas from Douglas Vacuum Cleaners, both in Chicago and Highland Park. We do a lot of Kirby service. I personally myself spent years with Kirby, so we have our technicians that really know what we're doing. However, some of the things you can do yourself, no reason to bring it in, no reason to spend money. One of the biggest problems we have with the Kirby, a customer will call us and say it's dead. It doesn't start completely, and yesterday it was working perfect. The first thing that has to be checked, and I know this may sound silly to you, is plug it into a second outlet and see if it starts then. If it doesn't, then there's a couple of things you can check yourself without having to spend the money. The first thing is your Kirby, and you'll notice this one's dead. Take the bag off, and if you take a look, you'll see that there's a little switch there, way down. Take a pen, I use my glasses, and just push it forward. It may be jammed, that may start the machine. Do that first. You might see a lump of dust there. If there is, take a Q-tip and wipe it off. Then replace the bag itself and push it as hard as you can toward the machine. That's all that was wrong with this particular Kirby. This was not pushed hard. A lot of times you'll see that will happen after you shampoo. You just haven't clicked it on right. The other problem can be this switch has to be pushed in all the way. That could be jammed and stuck in. So just again, take a pen, I use my glasses, and push those. If they have spring and they come back and forth, that could have been your problem and they were jammed. Put the head of the machine back on. Bingo, it works. If that doesn't seem to solve your problem, please give me a call personally. My cell phone is 847-224-1503 or 1-800-YO-KIRBY. That's my number. Give me a call and I'll be happy to help you with additional problems. Thanks for tuning in.